Hey guys, right, a slightly different approach to the video today. What I'm going to try and do is, well, not try and do, I've already done it, but I just stood here outside a roundabout. I was just on a driving test, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to stand here. And then we're going to see whether you guys can work out whether you can go or not. I'm going to run through the video again. Obviously, this is already running, so we're going to stop the video in a second, and then we're just going to pretend we're going straight ahead, second exit. Okay, we're straight across. Okay, I'm going to put like an imaginary car, which I don't know if that's going to help or not. It's going to be a bit annoying for you guys to see it, but it might just give you an idea of like, for example, this car just turning up now. So we'll have a go and then see if this helps, because sometimes I'll do a roundabout and it will just be I'll go on and I'll go off straight away, so it doesn't really help that much. So let's see if we can work it out. So I will now restart the video and then we'll go from there. Alright, here we go. So let's see if you guys can work out when to go. We're going to go straight ahead, second exit. So I'm not going to say anything on this part of the video. I just want you guys to work it out, okay? Every time you think you can go, literally, I can't say click. That's not a hazard perception. But just kind of in your mind, just think, right, I'll go now, or etc. And then just in the second clip, I will then run through all the chances I think that you should have used or taken advantage of. So let's wait and see. I did go to another roundabout as well, but that's uploading, so let's see if I can try and tag that onto this video. So hopefully you guys are working it out. I know I'm talking and I should have just shut up, but let's see, you can always mute it. So hopefully go back again and just mute it. So we're going to come to the end of the clip very shortly, and then now in about 5-10 seconds I'm going to run through all the chances I think as well. So here we go now. So this is an opportunity. The white car is going straight ahead, the red car is turning in, so he's not a blocker, so that's why that car came, so I wouldn't go. Red car is going right, I couldn't see the signal on it. The blue car is turning right, so those chances we can't do. That Golf came, that white van's going, so we could have gone then. The silver car is coming straight, the red car is coming straight, so we can go because the right cars on the right are blockers. Then we got the black car and the biker, and so I would have gone then as well. Don't know if that helped. So we'll try it again. Now if it turned up, then the white car is turning in, so I can go, but the car after I can't. Is turning right, so I can't go. Let's see, set now. Biker coming across, I would have gone. Got the other vehicle there. Got the blue car, there's no car on the right, so there's no need to wait. Now the black car is turning up. Let's see if the blue car stops him. No, he doesn't stop the BMW. Now we've got a couple of people coming, sorry, not people, but cars going straight, biker going straight. All of those are blockers, so I hope that helped. Let's try and see if we can do that one again. Okay, red car turning in, so releases the car on the right, so I can't go. The white van is blocked almost by the red car, but he turns in, so he's not a blocker. The blue car is not a blocker. The next grey car is a blocker, and the van is a blocker, and then the silver car is a blocker, and the red car is a blocker. And then I'm looking at the lights all the time. I don't know if the lights are clear, whether you can see them or not, but that's what your eyes should be on, eyes on lights, okay, and positions. But now this car's turning in, so I can't go. The car on the right is going round, so I can't go. I keep saying can't go in the first one, sorry. The first car I could have gone, but there was a car after it. So and then you've got the blue car turning up, you've got a BMW turning up now. Is he going to be blocked by the other blue car? No. So even the red car waits, and then now the red car realizes that the other cars are blocking that car on the right, and therefore they go. So hope that helps. I know I just went through that very quickly, so that can be a bit hard and a bit, that's what I'm literally trying to say in the lesson. As soon as we're there at a roundabout, I'm just trying to highlight to the student what to look at and who's going to wait for whom, and therefore you've got to react to that. So just if that helps, I'll try and do more of them maybe, and then we can go from there. But if my voiceover is annoying, and I apologize if it is, just mute it, go back to the videos and work out when you guys would have shot out, okay? You've got to have quick reactions, you've got to be decisive. Either you're going or you're not. There is no 50-50. You've got to work out and keep your eyes on the lights. Just that grey car just went in, they're not a blocker for you anymore, so you've got to be really keen-eyed. So hopefully it helps. Go back, mute the video, work it out yourselves, and then come back and see if you got it all right, okay? Hopefully that helped.